Consider a unit circle of radius 1. Draw two radii from the center O to points A and B on the circle so that OA makes an angle alpha with the x-axis, and OB makes an angle beta, hence the angle between them is alpha minus beta. Then draw a third radius OC to point C making an angle of alpha minus beta with the x-axis, and join A to B and C to D to form triangles OAB and OCD, each having two sides of length 1 and the included angle equal of alpha minus beta. So, by the side angle side postulate the triangles are congruent, and thus AB equals CD. Now, applying the distance formula, we get length AB and CD. These are the four variants of the fundamental law of trigonometry. If you do not understand any part of this proof, please comment. For more similar maths, calculus, and trigonometry videos, subscribe Spaceonomy.